At the beginning of the story, we are shown a couple named Kate and John, and they both have two children named Max and Daniel, but Kate was about to give birth to another child. But here their other child dies before birth. After that, Kate's condition deteriorates a lot, due to which she started drinking a lot, and because of that her mental condition was also gradually deteriorating. Seeing this, John becomes very sad, so he takes Kate to a doctor. After that her condition also starts improving slowly. And then after a few days, Kate again wants to adopt another child. So one day John takes her to an orphanage, where Kate likes a little girl named Esther who was only 8 years old. And then Sister Abigail there tells both of them that Esther is a very intelligent girl, but her parents died in a car accident. Hearing this, Kate and John feel very bad. After that, both of them adopt Esther and take her home from there. And after coming home, first of all Esther meets their youngest daughter Max, who could not speak, seeing whom she becomes very happy. But their Daniel does not like Esther at all. Now a few days pass by doing this, but there slowly Esther's actions also start changing, and she always tries to go to John by finding some excuse. And then the next day, as soon as Esther goes to school, a girl there starts teasing her, due to which Esther feels very bad, so she starts crying in the class itself. And then after coming home, Kate takes Esther to her daughter's grave, and starts telling her everything about herself. Hearing this, Esther also feels very bad and she also starts crying. Seeing this, Kate hugs her and starts calming her down. Now a few days pass by doing this, and then one day Daniel was playing and he inadvertently hurts a pigeon. Seeing this he feels very bad, and then Esther also comes there, and she tells Daniel that we should kill this pigeon, otherwise it will keep on suffering like this. But here Daniel stops her from doing so, but still she picks up a stone and kills that pigeon very brutally. After that she goes to a park from there, where she sees the same girl who made fun of her in school yesterday. On seeing her, she goes straight to her and pushes her from behind and makes her fall down, due to which she gets badly injured. But on the other hand, Max was watching all this. Seeing this, Esther threatens her that if she tells this to anyone then I will kill you. On the other hand, Kate starts getting a little suspicious about Esther, so she tells this to John. But John does not pay much attention to her words, because Esther used to behave like a normal child in front of her. And then one day Sister Abigail comes to their house and tells John and Kate that when she saw Esther's record file, she was very shocked, because wherever Esther goes, a lot of bad things happen there. Earlier also a family had adopted Esther, but their house caught fire and everyone died except Esther. But on the other side, Esther was also listening to all these things secretly. And as soon as Sister Abigail leaves, she also leaves from there with Max. And she pushes Max in front of Sister Abigail's car. Seeing this, Sister Abigail turns her car to save Max, due to which her car gets into an accident. But somehow Sister Abigail gets out of the car and comes to Max. Then Esther comes from behind and attacks Sister Abigail with a hammer, due to which she dies on the spot. After that, Esther buries her body in the snow, and she quickly goes to Daniel's tree house and throws her blood-stained clothes there. But then Daniel sees her coming out of his tree house. So at night Esther goes to Daniel and threatens him that if he tells anything at home then she will kill him too. Hearing this he gets very scared. Now the next morning Kate gets a call from the orphanage, where she comes to know that Sister Abigail has not reached the orphanage yet. Hearing this she gets very surprised. And here the police also starts searching for her, and within a few days, they find Sister Abigail's body. Seeing this, Kate starts suspecting Esther even more. So she starts finding more details about Esther. And then one day John and Kate are sitting at home when Esther brings flowers to Kate. But these flowers were the same ones that Kate had planted on the grave of her dead child. Seeing this, Kate gets angry and starts hitting Esther. Seeing this, John quickly comes and stops her, and she starts thinking that Kate has definitely fallen ill again. Here Kate was not able to understand what was happening, so she brings 2 bottles of wine, but she does not drink that wine. And on the other hand, Esther was hurting herself, so that John could think that Kate has done all this. Now the next day Kate goes to drop Daniel to school, and she leaves Max inside the car and goes out to drop Daniel. But seeing the same opportunity, Esther starts the car, due to which the car starts moving. Seeing this, Kate quickly runs behind the car to stop it, and that car goes straight and hits the front. But here nothing happens to Max. And then the scene shifts and we are shown Esther, where she takes a bottle of wine and gives it to John. Seeing this, John is convinced that Kate has started drinking again. So he quickly calls the doctor and tells him all this, on which the doctor tells him that Kate's condition is not good, so she should be sent to a rehab center. Hearing this, John is quite surprised. And on the other hand, Daniel also starts suspecting Esther. That's why he goes to Max and sees that he has made many strange things there. Seeing which he understands that Esther has done a lot of bad things. And he has also killed Sister Abigail. After seeing this, Daniel goes to his tree house to collect evidence against him. On the other hand, Kate was also searching Esther's room. Then she finds a diary of hers there. As soon as she sees it, she opens it and looks at it. Then she finds photos of many men there. And the name of a place was also written on the back of that diary. And on the other hand, Daniel is in the tree house. Then Esther comes there. And she takes out all the evidence in front of Daniel and sets it on fire. After that she locks Daniel in the same tree house and gets out of there. But here Daniel somehow breaks the window of the tree house and gets out. But he faints there because he is injured a lot. And then the scene shifts and we are shown Kate, where she goes to the address found behind the diary, where she finds out that it was not an orphanage but a mental asylum. Seeing this she gets very surprised. And on the other side Esther was about to pick up a big stone and hit Daniel when Max comes there and pushes her away. And then Kate also comes there. Here Daniel's condition had worsened a lot, so Kate picks him up and takes him to the hospital. But then Esther comes there too and seeing the opportunity, when there is no one, tries to kill Daniel. But here Max knew that Esther will definitely do something, so she tells her mom. Due to which she quickly goes to Esther and takes her out from there and slaps her very hard. Seeing this, John understands that Kate has become ill again. So he makes her unconscious by giving her an injection. After that he comes back home with Max and Esther. And at night when John was sitting on his sofa, Esther comes to him after getting very well prepared. She had done makeup just like adults. Seeing this, John gets very surprised. He does not understand anything that what is she doing. And here Esther also slowly starts coming towards him. Seeing this, John also scolds her and he tells her that tomorrow he will drop her back to the orphanage. And then the scene shifts and we are shown Kate where she gets a call from the same place, where it was in Esther's diary. And the doctor there tells Kate that Esther is not a child but she is a 33-year-old grown-up girl. Hearing this, Kate gets very surprised. And the doctor tells her that Esther has a disease due to which her physical growth had stopped. Actually, due to this disease, a person remains small. And due to this disease, the age of a person keeps increasing but that person looks exactly like a child. Here all the parts of Esther's body had developed but only her body and voice were that of a child. Whereas her age was 33 years. And Esther's real name is Lena. She has killed 7 people till date. And Esther was also behind the death of her previous family due to fire. There were photos of men inside her diary because she was attracted to those men. That's why she used to fool them all by becoming a child and killed those who did not listen to her. Hearing this, Kate also understands that John is in danger. So she quickly calls and leaves for her home. But here John does not pick up any of her calls. And on the other hand, Esther turns off all the power supply in the house due to which there is darkness all around. So John also gets up from there and goes to Esther's room, where he finds very obscene things of Esther. Seeing which he also understands that something is definitely wrong. So he quickly tries to leave from there. Then Esther comes there and attacks him with a knife, due to which John dies there. But then Max is also watching all this from behind, due to which she gets very scared. After that she quickly runs and hides inside her room. But in the meantime Kate also reaches there, but she becomes very sad after seeing John's dead body in front of her. She is completely broken, but then Esther comes from behind and shoots at her too, due to which the bullet goes straight and hits her hand. So she quickly runs and hides in the room. After that Esther goes out and starts searching for Max in the garden. And Kate also sees this from above, so she quickly breaks the window and jumps on Esther. After that she comes out of the house with Max. And after coming out she also calls the police. But then Esther comes there and attacks her with a knife, due to which she gets badly injured. Seeing which Max picks up his gun and shoots at her. But that bullet goes straight and hits the ice, due to which the ice breaks. Due to which both Esther and Kate go inside the water. But here Kate somehow tries to get out of the water. But then Esther comes from behind and starts pulling her inside. Due to which Kate pushes her with great difficulty and throws her inside the water again. And with this the movie also ends here.